To check your transaction history on the Cooperative Bank of Cape Cod, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the online banking system efficiently. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Cooperative Bank of Cape Cod website and click on the online banking option. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your accounts, including balances and recent transactions. Step 3. Select the account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposing breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your emailing accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. View transaction history. Look for the transaction history or recent transactions tab. Click on it to display a list of all transactions associated with the selected account. Step 5. Filter and download. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also have the option to download your transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history with the Cooperative Bank of Cape Cod. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance.